This is Tyler Snow with Super Duper Snow Power YouTube channel. And on this video, I'm doing another walk around video. I buy and sell vehicles for profit. It is one that I built, 2015 Dodge Ram. It does have 140,000 miles. I'm gonna sell it here probably pretty soon. I'm gonna list it today, so this video is gonna be kind of rushed, and sorry for the simple editing and possibly bad audio of cars driving by. So let's get started. On this walk around, we'll start in front like always, under the hood. So the only engine modification that I have, well, I have the called air intake. It's a cheaper one, so it probably takes away 10 horsepower, but it is tuned with ported throttle body and intake manifold, so that's a little bit quicker of a takeoff. It's nothing too crazy with horsepower. I don't know what the number is, but just enough for me anyway. Here's the guy who did the ported throttle body and intake manifold. The previous owner carbon fiber wrapped the hood. I personally would have rather just be the color match for more of a clean look, but I'm not too lazy to take it off, so it don't look too bad. Of course, we got the smoked LED headlights, of course. Can't forget the matching fog light. Mine didn't have them. I don't know why. Got 24-inch wheels and a 2.4 drop on the lowering kit. I got dual exhaust. The previous owner put that on there as well. I don't like it, but again, too lazy to take it off. And the exhaust is actually, I have exhaust cutouts. I'll show you what that sounds like. Here's what it looks like. Controlled by remote. Almost forgot the tail lights. They're LED. I didn't get them smoked just because some cops play over for it. It's kind of an iffy thing, but I've had it tinted before and never had any problems, but just in case, played it safe. Can't forget the bed cover. So for the sound system, I have two Sundown EV312s, and I have an 8,000 watt Soundstream amp. The amp is a cheaper amp, but it pushes the subs pretty good. They're 500 watts RMS each. I bought the box on eBay. It's supposed to be for a Silverado. Sounds pretty good. It's good enough. This sound system I've had for like 4 years now, so I'm gonna sell it with this truck this time and upgrade on the next one. They've been like 4 different vehicles. I was expecting it to hit harder, but just with the amp and the box, not a lot of airspace in this truck, it could hit harder, but it sounds pretty good. All right, I believe that's all the mods. I might have forgot one or two small stuff. Husky Liner Floor mats. I would show you what my truck's dirty. Yeah. Base demo, there's not really much. I mean, it sounds pretty good in person. It travels a little bit, but there's not that much flex. I mean, like mirrors and stuff, not really window flex or anything. I believe that's it. This is the 15th vehicle that I've done. I've made walk around videos of 5 or 4. I did a Jeep, my 370Z, a Scion TC. So yeah, check those out if you want to follow, see what I get next or how this goes with this one. I did make a cinematic video as well to make up for this cheap video. I got the clips today for it. The truck is so dirty in that, but I think I can make it look pretty good. Alright, well, thanks again. Sorry for the cheap video, and want to see what I get next? Subscribe.